Let's look at this question. Here they are saying that let P, Q, R be propositions of the expression this thing, P implication Q implication R, that which is a contradiction. So this expression is a contradiction that is given. They are asking about another expression, that is what, a tautology contradiction or something like option C and D, something like that they are asking. Okay, so we'll try to do firstly something like this, that okay, so P implication Q implication R, this thing is a contradiction. Firstly, what can we say if somebody says that this is a contradiction? We know that an implication will be contradiction only when this thing is, so A implication B is a contradiction when this thing is true and this thing is false, right? So A implication B is a contradiction when this thing is true and this thing is false, you know that, right? So in that sense we are saying that this thing is true and this thing is false, and how that will be used, that will come later. Firstly, let's keep this aside and we will try to solve on the expression about which they are asking the question. So let's come back to the expression, this thing R implication P, and that implies Q. Okay, ठीक है. So we'll start it by solving one by one. So A implication B is what, not A or B. So this thing is basically not R implication P or Q. ठीक है. Now not, and again R implication P can be written as not R or P, and this thing is or P or Q only. And when we will take this not inside this, then this is going to be R and not P, right? Right. Okay, so I think this till the coming to this form is enough. Why? Because see, when they are saying that this is a contradiction, we have come to a conclusion that R is definitely false because they have said that it is a contradiction. Then I can use directly that fact in this statement, right? So I can say that okay, R is false, I know that, and false and anything is always false, right? This entire thing can never be will always be false, and I know that this, if this entire thing is false, then the entire expression false or something like that, that is going to be the remaining expression only. So my point is that this entire thing is basically equal to Q only, because this thing is false. So whatever they are saying, this thing is basically Q only. So what A, B, C, D options they have given, they are talking about only Q. So is Q always a tautology, always a contradiction? Obviously not, depends on the value of Q. The correct answer is this thing, always true when Q is true. So if Q is true, then we know that it is a tautology, which is because it is always true. Okay, so D is the correct answer. Always true when P is false. So nothing to do. P can be true or false. In any case, this thing is boils down to only Q. So it is only dependent on Q, not P. So this thing is also not correct. The point is, the correct answer is always true when Q is true. So the correct answer is D.